How to remove a Gmail account from other devices. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remotely sign out of your Gmail account from other devices using your iOS or Android mobile device. This step-by-step guide ensures your Google account remains secure by managing active sessions and removing access from devices you no longer use or recognize. So first of all, head over and open your Gmail account, and then you're going to click on your profile at the top right over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the accounts that you have signed into this device. You're going to select the account that you wish to remove from other devices, and then you're going to click on Manage Your Google Account. Once you do so, you will be redirected to your Google account information page. You're going to scroll to the right and click on Security. Once you click on Security, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to see your devices over here. So you're going to click on Manage All Devices, and then you'll be redirected to your All of the Devices section. So you'll be able to see all of the devices that are currently active and using your Gmail account. So you're going to simply click on a specific device. For example, I'm going to click on this over here. And then all you need to do is simply click on Sign Out. So you'll be able to see this option that says Sign Out. So simply click on Sign Out and you can continue doing this for all of the devices from which you wish to remove the Gmail account. So that was basically how you can remove Gmail account from other devices. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.